students. So now we are going to continue the unit 4 topics. So the continuation of the unit 4 is, so already we saw what is the safety and what is the risk and what are the benefits of the risk and what is and as well as safety. So how we are going to reduce the safety and risk in the particular project criteria. So now the continuation of the unit 4 is the second of the fourth unit topic is respect for authority and collective bargaining. So collective bargaining is nothing but when competitions is begun upon one reputed company to another organization. So what is the compensations of acting to the actual period of time? So you have to complete the target of the project in the limited period. So suppose when you are working in an organization, some employees is not together to working to you, but they are giving some negative points. They are going to give some negative activities to do. You could not complete to that target time that as well as the project. So all those things, the criteria and simulations are happening in the organization. So that is called as the collective bargaining. So collective bargaining is a respecting of authority, the core principle, professional ethics. We emphasize the importance of actualities and complying with the limitations and rules and regulations and leadership structures within the organization and profession. So profession and organization, as well as we are going to work the particular leadership. So all those things is comes under to the collective bargaining. So collective bargaining, you have to bravely and briskly have to work it in the particular organization. You could not give your personal code or personal secret code to the another organization or another reputed company. You could not pass to the secret activities. So that all which comes under to the illegal activity functions. Okay, these are the authorities you are going to respect, and you have to work it in the organization good manner. So that truly you are going to work it in the organization. So what are the authorities you are going to respect in the collective bargaining space? Respect authority, institution, respect for authorities. So these are the authorities. So to the respect of the authority of the professional ethics. Okay, so these are the important authority functions of it. So coming to the collective bargaining. So bargaining is nothing but the trade union of improving the economic interest to the worker members. So already I have told in the your particular organization working means that particular organization you're working in the true manner. You could not give some illegal activities to other employees and other contributed companies also. Okay, you're going to work in the self confident and you have to complete the project in the target time. Okay, and all those things will come under the risk and safety also, but we have to neglect all the risk analysis, and you're going to your work in the smooth manner to the safety part. Okay, so these are the treating variable and declarations text, right? It is impossible to enclose fully the collective bargaining of the union or the contribution. So they exist also always conflicting view between the professionalism and unionism. So professionalism, unionism means what is a company between a part to the employee and as well as the manager. So what is the arguments are going on to the both sector, both the persons. So that is the profession and professionally they are collecting some bargains. So that is a called as a collective bargaining. Okay. So the next one is conflict of interest. Conflict of interest and affiliated is an important topic of this unit 4. Okay, so what is the conflict of interest is happening? So conflicting means what? The keeping the information on the employee and client as secret. So it is one of the important aspects of being work. So the justification of the competition. Okay, so the coming to the part, you're working in one organization means they are given one software, secret software or software code. Okay, you could not able to transfer to the another organization for a secret code. Why? Because when code you are going to transfer or any other details, secret details you are going to transfer to the another organization, there the level will be the lowest level. So that both the organization will be argument to the conflict of interest. So that is called it as a confidential thing. So these are the important aspects of teamwork. So you're going to work in the teamwork manner. You could not give the secret to the another organization company. You're going to maintain your level in the smarter way. Okay, so that is a confidential. So respect of autonomy. So they're respecting the freedom and self-determination of individual and organization to identify the values and control and the personal information of themselves. So these are the absent minds and absent self. You are going to working whether the employment and life. Okay. So what are the contribution? What are the conflicts are made upon to the both the systems? So that is an important criteria. You are going to respect the autonomy to the individualities and organizations also. Okay, so what are the premises you're going to promise your organization? That means your reputation company, you're going to promising all those things right here. So respect for the promise and trustworthiness and the respect for the public welfare. So these are the function. And then conflict of interest is nothing but COI. The situations has become persons or organization involved in the multiple interested financial or otherwise. One of the reach good probability to conflict the motivation or decision making of that individual and organization. So all those things comes under the conflict of interest and COI. So what are the contributed between the employee and as well as the client? Okay, and then what are the contributing to the person and as well as organization? The organization working means that they have given one secret code. That code you cannot never to transfer to any other organization. You cannot tell that secrets to the other organization. You are going to keep up your secrets in your personal development. So that is all the conflict interest are made upon in the particular situation. So you are going to maintain yourself as a safety. So these are the safety analysis are made upon the functions. Okay. So the next one, what are the crimes and professional rights? Okay, occupational crime and professional rights is nothing but some more any crime, some employees were unofficial and illegal activities is made upon to your employee means you could not particular to give the rights to that legal activities. Okay, so that is called it as an occupational crime. So wrong activities. Okay, person through one's lawful employment or crime by the employee to promote one's own or employee interests, the thrust or privilege of employee or damage the properties of the employee owned organization. Trust are also called while committing crimes. So these are the occupational crimes. So occupational crime means recently they have given the definition as your particular working organization. You could not give some, no, you could not give any illegal activity. You can go through the good moral activities and you're going to work in the employee as a good manner. Okay, so you suppose you can done any illegal activities means you can have to answer to the government side, government activities. So these are not comes under the occupational crime part. Okay, so professional rights is nothing but what is the right which way you're going to move to occupy these crimes and all, and you have to collect all the risk analysis and you're going to unwanted risk, you're going to negate all the risk analysis and you're working to the organization of the safety part. So the right to form of the express professional judgment and unethical activities. So due to process of the employee and then equal opportunities of non-discrimination as well as sexual abuses in the workplace. So neutral actions and benefits. All those things, these are under professional rights. So these are under you cannot follow to the right. These are under illegal activities. You cannot do to the organization or workplaces. So you're going to maintain your level of the growth in a good manner. So that is a moral criteria and moral rights to working in the organization. So the next one is IPR. Okay, so IPR is nothing but eligible properties of. So for example, what is it called as an IPR means? For example, a particular organization or particular you can buy any food product, okay, in the supermarket or anything else. You can buy any food product. That food product back side of the cover they will give one IFSSAI, that means a copyright, or the food organization, that means the World Health Organization. They will particular organization they have given the government order, a government fee or government code with the particular packet. That product at expired dates, all those things are given the back packet or back of the packet. Okay, so that particular product you're going to buying means that is a good product you're going to buy and using to the all the popular uh, society and corporate applications. Okay, so these are and also comes under, it's called it as a IPR. So IPR is a protection guarantee to the creators of IP. Okay, so the IPR is a file manner. Okay, the five types of the functions are important they are going to use from the IPR or recognition. So trademark, copyright, patent, industry design right, and some digital trade secret. So uh, the first one is a types of the norms is a patent, copyrights, and trademark. Patents is nothing but one of the one of the leadership or organization you're working with. You cannot give the you have to getting some government orders or government authority. Okay, government authority and government order. You will not get some leadership means you cannot working in that organization. Okay, so that these are the patents or quantity to working in a particular organization. And copyright is nothing but you can say the example of the films, music. And suppose in the movie you can go to the theater now, you will see the film, the first page of the film means a C. The copyright of the symbol is C. Okay, the copyright will not buy means you cannot produce a movie. You cannot release the movie in the theaters itself. Okay, so these are under government order, government activities you're going to perform into particular manner, and you're going to purchase the bill in the good function. So this all comes under the IPR. So that is a intellectual property rights. You can buy any property. You can buy any um, products, purchasing any other things you can buy. One, you can buy the each and everything that is comes under the government activities and government order. You cannot never buy the purchase. You cannot never buy the product purchasing in the particular market. Okay, these are all is called as a IPR function. Okay. So the last topic of the unit 4 is a discrimination. So discrimination is nothing but moral justified treatment of people or observatory to individual groups. So discriminate is because of caste, sex, religion, so criteria, language. So discrimination is nothing but the people, the particular living in the world. So what the caste is important, and then female or male, community, religion, who is a Hindu or Muslim or Christian or all this language in Tamil, Hindi, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada, all the languages, all the custom and religions come together. These are the is a recursive function actions that be made upon the professional ethics. So discrimination is nothing but comes under the classics, judicial, languages and judicial actions. Okay, so what you are going to treatment of the people are arbitrary or irrelevant grounds. Okay, so what is the ethical law in the discrimination? What are the ethically wrong way? You cannot use this way. So that's why they have given the discrimination part here. So why does principles of fairness and equality? So undermines merit-based opportunities and destroy trust for the moral in the workplace, can lead to legal consequence and reputation damage. So this is not a way, but we have to perform in the functionality as a good manner. Okay, so these are all the wrong way. You cannot go to this wrong way of the professional rights. Okay, you can go to the right choice and right way, and you have to keep the city of green and clean. With the professional ethics is as an engineer, you're going to professionally, you have to change all those things, day by day activities, and you have to solve all the risk and analysis of the particular situation, and you have to come to the safety part of this chapter. So that's why the unit 4, the safety and risk responsibilities are you're going to performing in the as per the professional engineering. You're going to control all those things in your good manner. So that's why the unit 4 all of these things are given in the right choice and right way. Okay, you have to follow these rules and regulations of the functionalities. Okay, so these are the unit 4s are completed. Okay, so next class we'll see about the unit